My name is Jacopo Moretti. I am a HSE R&D Engineer for Saipem. My company, Saipem, is one of the biggest EPC contractors all around the world. We have projects spanning from Europe to North, South America to the whole of Asia, specifically focusing, of course, in the area of Middle East. There are actually a couple, because we are getting more and more projects. We have very big projects, especially as I already said, in the area of Saudi Arabia. For example, we have the island Ghasha project, which is in the Emirates, and then we have a lot of big projects also in Africa. We have a big project in Angola. And then we have some projects which are very big because they are comprised of different portions made all around the world. For example, we have FPSO projects which are being built at the same time in China, Brazil, Indonesia, and so on. So these are, I think, the highlights of our company. My presentation was on a new device which is being developed by Saipem internally, which is the Smart Safety Harness. And the message that we want to share with this project is that technology has to help our daily routine at work. It doesn't have to substitute anybody, or it doesn't have to reduce the amount of workforce, but it has to help the workforce, especially when talking about supervision, when talking about safety, because safety for us is one of the primary tasks that we have, so that all of our employees go home safely to their families, and with the aid of technology, we can achieve that without any issue on already existing job roles. I think that the next big step for the oil and gas is to adapt itself to the energy transition, because of course the transition means that oil and gas will have to be more and more it's going to be less and less relevant in the energy field, but other energies are taking the place, basically, of old carbon, of old fossil fuels. And so the next big step would be to completely embrace this change and to transform in a real energy sector, not anymore oil and gas sector, but something that is more complex with different energy sources, leading the world to the new era of energy production. There is a need of project management from a digital point of view that was never there before, because now the whole sectors, but not only oil and gas, but all the sectors of industry and in general are changing, and they are becoming more digitalized, more in need of a strong IT knowledge, because even starting from the worker at site to the manager, everybody needs to know how to properly interact with digital devices or IoT or specific programs. So the skills that we have to achieve as a society is to be able to fully integrate our daily lives with these new technologies. I have to say that this is one of the best congresses that I've ever been, because it's very well organized, it's very well structured, and it has everything is all the different interventions of all the presenters are very interesting and on point in what the event is focused on, which is automation in oil and gas. And of course, the highlight to me was yesterday's gala dinner, because I think that the venue and the whole atmosphere, the situation was very, very nice.